So guys, this is how to create a Gmail account. It's very simple. To create a Gmail account, head straight to your phone menu. Scroll down to the G section and you are going to find Gmail. This is what I'm talking about. Tap on this app. Now when you get over here, tap on the profile at the top right corner. Now what you have to do is to scroll down. You are going to find another account. So just tap on add another account, and when you tap on it you're going to see this. So tap on Google. So you're going to see check-in info, and over here they are going to ask you to verify whether your phone is yours. So just type in your password or using your fingerprint to verify. After that you're going to be over here. Now tap on create account. Now tap on for my personal use. Type in name over here. So after that, tap on next. Select the month, day, year, and gender. So with the gender, I'm going to select female. With the year, I'm going to select any of these. So after selecting all these, tap on next. Tap on next. After they said this name is already taken, so I'm going to do it this way. So let's see whether this is taken or not. And as you can see, it's not taken. So the next we have to select a password for it. So tap on next. So after selecting a password, you have to tap on next, then you have to wait. This may take a few moments, so let's wait whilst it's loading. And now review your account info. So let's tap over here next. So now that's the privacy and terms. So tap on I agree, which is down below. So now we are done. So to see your account, just tap over here on the profile at the top right corner. Now look through all your accounts and you're gonna find it over here, and this is it. So select that one. And as you can see, that's a new account, so we don't have any email over here on it. So that is how to create a Gmail account or email account. Thank you for watching this video. See you in our next video.